I'm Stephanie Dang, and I'll be using the May 2024 kits for this layout. I'm loving this checkerboard background for my layout, and I'm using these two papers to create a layer on my background. Like always, I don't really have a set size for my paper. I just kind of eyeball it, pinch, and then trim it off. I made a little error, so that's why there's a little cut, but it's okay because once I tape it down, it'll be okay. I just wanted that section to be a little wider so that my photo can layer on top of it. It's a little too long, so I'm trimming the top and bottom diamonds off. I'm gonna layer on this stripe for the bottom of my photos. Now I'm going to work on embellishments and start embellishing my page. I added a few minor touches, and then I added some stitchings and my journaling, and I'm finally done with my page. I hope my layout gave you some inspirations. And have a wonderful, blessed week, everyone.